Let's keep going. Looking at combinations. And today in this example, we're going to use cases. So cases where there's some different options and you have to solve for one option and the other option, and then you have to add the answers together basically. So use cases to solve this problem. Rihanna is writing a geography exam. The instructor says that she must answer a specified number of questions for each section. How many different selections of questions are possible if she must answer 2 of the 4 questions in part A and 3 of the 5 questions in part B? In number A, there are no cases. Everything is set in stone. The numbers are there. So let's go to A. So part A. And then we're going to multiply that by the number of things in part B. So in part A, there's a total of 4 questions. So that's our N. And she has to choose 2 of them. So 4 choose 2. And in part B, there's 5. And she has to choose 3 of them. And now we're just going to multiply these together. So let's take a look at what 4 choose 2 and 5 choose 3 are. These are going to be relatively small numbers. In the last question, we got big numbers because we had large groups of 30 and 18. You get to big numbers really quickly. But with 4 and 5, we're going to get small numbers. So we're going to still go to Desmos. And I want to show you what each one is individually. So 4 choose 2 is 6. There's 6 ways to choose things out of 4. So it's 6. Excuse me. And 5 choose 3. Again, that's going to be a pretty small number here. So 5 choose 3. 10. So there's going to be 60 ways. Okay, now I want you to remember, keep these in mind. 4 choose 2 is 6, and 5 choose 3 is 10. So remember these numbers for later on. All right, so let's take a look at question B. She must answer 2 of the 4 parts in part A, so this part's going to be the same, and at least 4 of the 5 questions in part B. So there's 2 options here. There's 2 cases. She could answer 4 of the 5, or she could answer all 5 of the 5. So for letter B, case 1. So part A is 4 choose 2 times, in part B, there's 5 questions and she could choose 4 of them. I don't know why anybody would choose to answer 5 questions instead of 4 questions, but so this becomes 6 times, let's take a look at 5 choose 4. 5 choose 4. It's 5. 6 times 5 is equal to 30 ways. Now case 2. Part A again is 4 choose 2. Now part B is 5 and choose 5. So if you have 5 objects, 5 questions, and you have to choose to do all 5 of them, how many ways can you choose them? Well, just once. So this can be 6 times 1, which is equal to 6 ways. Now, because she can do 4 or 5, this or is going to mean we add them together. We add the cases together to get a total of 36 ways. Right, so when you're using cases, it's one way or the other way or the other way or the other way, and you add them together. All right, so we'll keep going on with combinations in the next video.